This intro was recorded on a different day than the day or the days that I decluttered my room. I am really bad with this vlogging thing, so summertime, the bikes are out. New to the vlogging thing, so bear there with me. I apologize. Sometimes I forget to close the vlog. Sometimes I forget to start the vlog. I just pick up the camera and I'm just doing things that I like, you know. I just start vlogging and I forget, and then I'm editing the video and I say to myself, this stuff doesn't make any sense. Like, nothing makes sense. The vlog is all over the place and I just get frustrated. So anyways, I decided to give my bedroom a makeover. So I will be showing you all the steps that I did to declutter my room. My room was a hot mess, you guys. I'm still in the process. Oh, I'm getting a phone call from California, Beverly Hills. Let's take that call. Because of the whole quarantine, things are getting delayed. I finally have everything that I need as of right now, so it's on me now to get started. So I decided to make 3 videos. This is the first one, which will be decluttering my room. Stay tuned for the second one. It will be my decorating my vanity, and then the third one will be just the final, you know, room. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. Alright, so you guys already saw how messy my room is. I know. The first thing I'm going to do is vacuum this section here because I'm going to declutter this clothing rack. I'm just throwing everything on my bed so I can deal with it later. I'm going to throw this clothing rack away. I don't know why I thought it was a good idea to put it in my room, but it's going out. So I have a lot of shoes, and I still need help organizing them because I don't know what to do with them. Some of them are in boxes, as you can tell. I had them on the bottom of the rack. So yeah, this rack is going out. So I am going to move the nightstand to that space that I just vacuumed, and I'm basically just dragging it around my bed just to bring it to the other side. Okay, so I decided to move the chest to where the nightstand was before. I think it's just gonna look a little bit more organized if I keep it in this corner, because where it was before, as you saw earlier, it was just in front of the bed. I only had a small space to walk through, and I used to hurt myself all the time with the bed corners, so my legs are always covered with bruises because of that. So I think that's perfect there. I'll probably change my mind later, but we'll see how it goes. So I don't know why I put those on the wall, but they're coming off. So this is where the chest was before, and I'm just going to vacuum this section here because that's where I'm going to be placing the dresser that it's behind me at the moment. So I'm going to be making my bed, and you're probably wondering, what did I do with the clothes that I just threw on my bed? I put them all in my closet, and you guys will see how messy my closet is in a minute. So I'm going to be making my bed, and I purchased a duvet, and I think I talked about it in one of my vlogs. I bought it from Amazon, and I also bought the cover from Amazon. You guys will see it in a second. So this is a duvet. I'm gonna be making my bed with it now. And the cover is also from Amazon, and I have to say that I've been using the cover for a while and it's not so good, but the duvet, it's amazing. So if you guys know of any good duvet covers, let me know down below, because the one that I got from Amazon, it's definitely not my favorite. This literally took me a long time, because let me tell you that to put the duvet inside the cover is just so challenging. So I'm just going to skip this and I'll show you the results, because it literally took me over 10 minutes. I brought the IKEA desk in my room, and then I just placed all my makeup stuff there. Oh, I haven't even checked out the drawer, to be honest, to see if it works. Yep. It's very spacious. It works. I'm just gonna put my palettes in here. I have a lot to do. It's gonna be a long day. I have to reorganize my purses, because what is this? This towel doesn't go there. Really wanted to declutter this space here just to have my window open, and oh, I need to take that down. It's nailed in, so gotta take that down. But yeah, I'm going to end this vlog here because I have a lot to do. I just wanted to show you a little bit of what I did to declutter my room. I'm embarrassed. I am this close to become a hoarder. I am a hoarder. Yeah, I'm a hoarder. That's it. I said it. Because this is unacceptable. But my sister and I are going to Home Goods in New Hampshire. We live in Massachusetts, so that's the nearest Home Goods that is open. New Hampshire is slowly opening things. Massachusetts is just taking longer than any other state. So we're gonna do that. Hopefully I can find the things that I need to finish up my bedroom. So I will be buying a mirror to put there, and then I have the pieces of wood which are right there. I will paint them white to put them on the wall, and I need a lack. I don't know if I should put a lack there to organize more things, or a plant, because I want to bring some plants in my room. So we'll see what I come up with, but I definitely need more areas where I can organize things. And a lack is, well, I can actually get a lack, put makeup on those, shelves, and also put plants on them. That sounds like a good idea, so I might do that. Okay, so well, that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed my messy room, and I'll see you in my next video, which will be me organizing my vanity. Bye guys.